Hey, how's it going, guys? Kat right here. So I'm so excited for this video because I'm going to show you how we took these landscape stairs and just gave them a makeover. We put in these stairs about 5 years ago. They have done wonderful, other than the wood started decaying a little bit and the stones were sinking. So if you want to see how we gave these stairs a beautiful makeover, stick around. Okay, so yes, we had to tear up those stones that were already there. We had to break up all the sand. That was a bit of a hard job, but it was nice to have Shiloh and some other family members here to help us. And so the next step to this project is just give that wood a beautiful, very rustic wood finish. If you want to watch more details, I'll put a link down below to show you exactly how we did that. But for the most part, I just had to sand away whatever stain was on there. Then we painted a whole layer of brown sand. Didn't do a great job on it, but that was kind of the point, because then we went over with a belt sander and a hand sander and just gave it a very old, kind of rustic, weathered look, which I absolutely love. And then once that was all perfected, we put a sealant on it, and I love this look. Okay, so the next step is to lay the stones with the polymeric sand. I would have to say this is probably the most physically straining job, because you have to lift and figure out exactly where to get those stones. And those stones are like 2 inches thick. They are so heavy. We put about 1 inch of the polymeric sand, put the stones on top, had to get them underneath that wood framing, which was definitely really hard. Then you put the polymeric sand around the stones, then you follow the manufacturer's instructions, get it wet, let it rest, and then it will solidify but be very, very flexible. I love polymeric sand. I absolutely love these stairs. I love that they're in our front yard. I love that there's only 4 of them. And I love that it's got the wood frame. I know it's not gonna last forever. I really hope they will last as long as possible, but I know that they will last forever. But if you are thinking of doing some wood frame stairs with some stones in the middle, I give it a 2 thumbs up, because I think these are so beautiful. And the supplies I get from Home Depot, I absolutely love. So remember, work hard, play hard, have a wonderful day. We'll see you on the next project. Now that we've been working hard, we're gonna go have some fun, have a fire in our backyard.